Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to add a real layer of protection. Start now. First, log in and go straight to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Login. Once there, tap Two-Factor Authentication and choose Get Started so you don't stall. Make sure your phone and an authenticator app are at hand. This speeds setup and avoids fallback via SMS. You're doing this to stop account takeover attempts, so proceed without delay and pick the method you'll rely on now. Once done with the initial screen, pick your method. Authenticator app gives stronger protection than SMS, so prefer that when possible. After selecting Authenticator, open the app, scan the QR code Facebook shows, and then type the 6-digit code back into Facebook to confirm. Make sure to copy or download the recovery codes Facebook provides and store them securely. Also add a backup phone number or a physical security key, so you won't be locked out if your primary device is unavailable. Now finalize. Enable two-factor authentication and follow prompts to confirm it's active. Once enabled, log out and then log back in to test the flow. You should be prompted for the code from your app or backup method. Make sure to mark personal devices as trusted if you want fewer prompts, but avoid trusting shared computers. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use one of the saved recovery codes immediately. If those aren't available, follow Facebook's identity verification steps to restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.